Hi, welcome to my video, adding binomials and trinomials, square root radicals. Okay, I can turn this page over here. There we go. The addition of binomial and trinomial steps is remove the brackets, combine like terms, and simplify. So let's follow. We're going to remove the brackets. So 2 plus 7 root 3. Add on 6 plus 4 root 3. Remove the brackets. Now we're going to combine like terms. And there's the like terms. 2 and 6 gives us 8. 7 root 3 and 4 root 3 is 11 root 3. And we combine. We have to remove the brackets first. Notice when you're adding, you don't change the signs. And actually, you can treat that as a 1 and a 1 and multiply by 1s. You can treat that as a 1 and a 1 and multiply by 1s. So that's another way to think about it. Combine like terms. And we put the 10 goes with the 8 to give us negative 2. And 6 root 2 and negative 4 root 2 is 2 root 2. And again, when I move these around here, I do not change the signs because I'm not transposing. Practice means pause the video and work these out. So I get an 8 minus root 7. And again, if you think about a 1 and a 1, multiply by 1, you get a negative. Oh, let's make that officially a negative 2 plus 4 root 7. And 8 minus 2, subtract root 7 plus 4 root 7. So that's 6 plus 3 root 7. And again, if you make that a 1 and a 1, 1 times negative 4, 1 times 8 root 5, and 1 times negative 2, 1 times root 5. Notice when you remove the brackets, you're not changing the signs in here. You're keeping them the same. And we group them together. There they are. And that's negative 4, negative 2 is negative 6, 8, and that's understood to be a 1, so that's a 9 root 5. Number 3, we're going to remove the brackets again. Think about, I keep reminding myself to show you that. Put a 1 here 1 times, and it won't change. And when you multiply by 1, it won't change the signs. In other words, when you have a plus sign here, these signs in here will not change. And we group like terms. 2 root 3 minus 3 root 3 plus 5 root 6 minus 11 root 6. And 2 subtract 3 is negative 1 root 3. The 1 is understood to be there. And 5 minus 11 is negative 6 root 6. And that plus sign is not necessary there. So I'll just take that away. So it won't confuse, just use a bit of whitener because even I put down the plus automatically, but here it goes, gone. A bit of whitener helps out. So notice I put the plus there, but I need a plus and negative because normally you don't write it. And we have 3 of them this time, so we put a 1 here and a 1 here. So we get 1 times this, won't change any of the signs. And 1 times this bracket won't change the signs. That's a plus, so still a plus. Now we group like terms, so we got a negative 1 and a 6. We got a 4 root 2 and a 7 root 2. We got a 6 root 3 and a negative 11 root 3. Add up like terms. Negative 1 and 6 is 5. 4 plus 7 is 11 root 2. And 6 subtract 11 is negative 5 root 3. And we have the last one to do. But notice that with this one, we always simplify the inside of the roots before we do anything. So negative 7. And the square root of 4 is 2, so that's negative 14. That one is done. We have a 3. Root 8 is 4 times 2, so that's 2 root 2. And leave everything alone, so we just keep going. 50 is 25 times 2, so that's a 5 root 2. And 2/3, 36 is a 6, so there we are, the big brackets. So we have negative 14, and that's 3 times 2 root 2 is 6 root 2. And we have negative 7 over 5 times 5. The 5's cancel. I get a negative 7 root 2. And 2/3, 6, 3 and 6 goes 2, so that gives me a 4. Now we have it all simplified. And again, we put a 1 there and a 1 there. We get a negative 14 plus 6 root 2. And negative 7 root 2 plus 4. Group like terms, negative 14 plus 4. 6 root 2 subtract 7 root 2. Negative 14 plus 4 is negative 10. 6 subtract 7 is a negative 1, so it's a negative root 2. The 1 is right there, understood. So the last one, remember to simplify the inside of these roots first. Makes the addition and multiplication or subtraction, whatever you're going to do, easier. So that brings us to the end of adding the binomials and trinomials. If you like my video, click the like button, click the subscribe button. If you're not a subscriber, and a notification bell, more videos are coming your way. Write a comment if you wish on my video. And if you want, visit my math website, www.mathfullyexplained.com. And you get the sections on me, my degrees and teaching experience. The section on video talks about the strategies that I'm going to use to help you learn your math. And the content section has the topics and the number of videos on those topics on my YouTube channel, Math Fully Explained. And the black font is the topics that are online right now. And the red font are the topics that will be developed for the near future. Thank you very much for viewing my video. Bye-bye.